Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel, My Kinda Art, and for today's video, I've drawn so many different Kirby fan arts over the years, and this one is a brand new one that I've actually never talked about before, but I've done it many years ago. I had the files just sitting on my computer when I took photos of this Kirby Tissue Box Mockup. So this was an actual university project that I did at Cal State University Fullerton, and this one was just a project that I was able to do where we had to use a template of a Kleenex box tissue, and I decided to do a Kirby version, and just something that I knew would look aesthetically pleasing because, you know, Kirby's adorable and he's the color pink. So yeah, I just played around with that. But before we get started, consider hitting the like button, ringing the bell, and leaving a comment. Let's get to it. So for this project, we were given a PDF of a Kleenex tissue box template, and it was cool because it was from an Illustrator file, so everything was very clean and easy to print out. And this one was fun to do because I printed it out on a 12 by 15 large rectangle page, and I cut everything out and folded everything together. And I knew the box was going to be easy to do because I wanted it to be Kirby's pink color, and each side of the box had something different. And because Kirby is this type of character that can be manipulated into anything, I played around with the different art styles like the ones you see right here, with different clouds, maybe a blue color, and maybe even green from the greens area from the games. I just decided to do a pink version, but I was playing around with a lot of this different styles and things that I could do. But it was fun just having his face all over and every side, and especially that star that he's known for, and playing around with the Kirby font as well. And then just adding stars in the bottom part of the tissue box. And it was actually fun cutting everything out and making it look like a legit box, and even putting some real tissue paper in there as well. And before the process even began, I really enjoyed doing the small sketches and thumbnails and just ideas, and that's where everything just comes together. I really enjoyed doing these little sketches and mock-ups of what I would like for it to look like, and I just put everything together here on this JPEG, and it just looks cool just seeing things side by side from the initial concept all the way to the end. But yeah, this was a fun digital project for university. It was fun to do, and I just really enjoyed having that Kleenex logo on there, the Super Tomato or the Maximum Tomato, and Kirby in just different poses and action and just different expressions. And even at the bottom of the tissue box, you also have the font as well. But yeah, what did you guys think of this fan art? Let me know in the comment section down below what you think, and if you're a Kirby fan. And thanks for watching. See you later, and bye-bye.